Okay, so for example number 13 class, so we are given here 24 hours. So obviously this is our time. Okay, and we are given the current of a lamp, which is 1 ampere, and we have a 100 volt here, 100 volts. Obviously this is our voltage. So we are also given the cost of the electrical energy, which is 11.25 pesos per kilowatt hour. Okay, so what we are required here, class, is to determine the cost of operation of this lamp operating for 24 hours, having a current of 1 ampere and a supplied voltage of 100 volts if the cost of the energy consumption is 11.25 pesos per kilowatt hour. Now, cost, class, is of course in pesos. Okay, the unit is in pesos. So in order for us, class, to solve for that, we need first to determine our energy consumption, which is in kilowatt hour. And take note that the formula for energy consumption is power times time. And the formula for power, if you could recall, can be solved by multiplying current and voltage, or you can use voltage and resistance if it is available, or you can use current and resistance. But in this case, since we are given the current and the voltage of the lamp, so we will just use current times voltage. So that's for the power, so times T. Okay? So since our energy here is in kilowatt hour, so since this is volt and ampere, the volt and ampere is equivalent to watts. Okay, so we have to divide later our answer to make it kilo. So substituting, class, 1 ampere, we have 100 volts, and the time is 24 hours. You don't have to convert it, class, because what we are required here is in watt hour. Okay, so this is 100 times 24. So I didn't put the 1 already because understandable, that's still the same. 100 times 24, so that is, we have 2,400. And what is the unit? 2,400, this is watt. So watt hour. Okay, that is our energy consumption. But like you said, our energy consumption should be in kilowatt hour. So to make our watt hour to become kilowatt hour, so we will divide it by 1,000. Okay, or let's say in 1 kilowatt hour, there are 1,000 watt hour. Okay, can you follow? So we can cancel this out. So we simply divide your 24 divide 1,000, or that is 2.4. So 2.4 kilowatt hour. Okay, so from here we will be able to solve for the cost by simply multiplying. So we have 2.4, so we'll have cost is simply 2.4 kilowatt hour times your price, which is 11.25 pesos per kilowatt hour. So take note, we can cancel out the unit, and from there, so we simply multiply 2.4 times 11.25 there. So we have 27. And what is the unit? It is pesos. So therefore, class, if you operate a lamp 24 hours, which is rated 1 ampere and 100 volts, okay, so you will pay 27 pesos.